చూస్ కంట్రీ డిలైట్ లివ్ బెటర్. ఇప్పుడే కంట్రీ డిలైట్ యాప్ ని డౌన్లోడ్ చేసుకోండి.
This is exactly what the love is all about. As Messi All-Stars 11 players, of course, they will take the sport to another great altitude, another great level altogether. And more importantly, I should also be saying, okay, huge accolades to Prasar Bharati team as well, DD Sports, everybody, the lensmen, and of course, all the panels, the producers, the units, the audio. Wow, who is that little superstar next to the Chief Minister of Telangana himself? Does he realize that he's standing next to the Chief Minister? I don't think so. He's passed the ball to Messi. What an occasion here it is. This is not promoting Gen Z's football dreams. It is also promoting Gen Alpha's football dream. He's a Gen Alpha standing right there to Mr. Revath Reddy himself. He's a Gen Alpha lad. Did he even realize what he's doing? There he goes with another kick. It's a strong one.
For sure, this kid will definitely keep this memory alive for his lifetime, Naveen.
No doubt at all. His parents will be so proud. His parents will be so happy with these moments. They will go out there and say a lot of stories. They will actually, I'm so happy that they will fund his dreams. That's really important because, yeah, I keep saying play sport, but I'll tell you what, playing any kind of sport, of course, has a little bit of monetary funding that needed from the parents and everybody. Yeah, so I guess that lad is definitely got his dad to sign his coaching classes for sure in football.
That should happen. Rajiv Gandhi International Stadium glowing under the floodlights. The usual cricket pitch is gone, replaced by a pristine green football turf. The stands are packed with almost 55,000 people holding flashlights and everything we can witness here. The happiness on the faces of these footballers here, the young talents. We can see the group pic.
Yeah, totally. I'm so overwhelmed here because the GOAT himself right here in the GOAT Tour 2025 coming out here to promote the game, to make sure, the dad lifts the next big superstar. There he is. He's going away. That's really nice. That was so sweet. And the dad who I was talking about, who's going to fund all his coaching classes of football. Yeah, that is more needed today, the support from the family. That's why I said, do whatever you want to support your family. Be the family man, be the united person that you can be. Do it everything that you do to keep the family together, because at the end of it all, it's family. That's what is really needed. And like the GOAT himself, Lionel Messi has earned the entire globe, the entire earth has his family, right, with all the love that is coming towards him from the entire planet. That's really nice. But with all that, even going out there, Swarna, I really want